everyone, my name is Goldberg. Welcome to my channel. So this video is all about Prada. As you can see, I'm also wearing the Prada logo bucket hat, which went on trend in 2020, and I absolutely love this hat, so I'm going to talk about this hat later. But the main purpose of this video is talking about this mini little card holder or like purse on chain from Prada. And it's actually my first impression with Prada, because I never had anything like a bag or wallet or purse from Prada, so that's actually my first impression as well. So before we start, I'm quite new to YouTube and I would love to grow my channel. I hope to upload unboxing videos, mainly for like designer items, handbags, shoes, different kind of like designer trendy items. So I try to upload kind of the unboxing and reviewing videos. So if you're interested, I really appreciate your support. If you can subscribe to my channel so I can grow my channel and I get some motivation to do some more unboxing videos. So anyway, let's start. So this is so this is a mini purse or card holder from Prada. It's the smallest card holder and purse on chain that they have. It's really small, like it's literally, I don't know why it has this chain, but it makes it look quite cute. But it definitely it's purely just a card holder. Like this is literally so small that you can only fit like 2 cards. So the main purpose of this accessory, I don't even want to call it a bag, is for basically it's just a purse. You know, you put your coins in them, your change in them, probably like 2 cards, and that's it really. It's just a little accessory. And I don't know why I am so obsessed with mini bags and kind of like wallet on chains at the moment, and I think I'm kind of like collecting them. I have a few other like mini little bags, and this is another extra to my collection. And I just wanted to show you my Jacquemus mini Lo Chiquito bag, which was the smallest bag that I had, that I own, and I thought it's kind of like stupid to purchase this Lo Chiquito bag from Jacquemus. But if you compare it to this, you can see that actually the Lo Chiquito is bigger and it looks bigger because of this handle. Obviously because of this handle, it should kind of like make it look bigger, but this one is just definitely a card holder. Like you can't even call this a bag. Like it's really small, but because it has this cute little chain, it makes it quite useful. And like, you know, it's you can use it. I know it's like a little bit like stupid, but still you can use it. You know, if you want a purse, it's a purse, and if you want like a mini accessory to just like wear it like this, I quite like to wear these kind of like mini bags like this, and it looks, I think it looks really cute. I mean, it's just it's a card holder, is a mini purse, is a card holder. I'm not expecting much, and this bag was actually £680. You know, like I think it's gonna be nearly like $900 just for a little just for a little card holder like this. It's actually my first Prada bag, like wallet, purse, whatever, but I quite like it. You know, it feels really nice. It feels the leather feels really nice, and I love it. Like it's just I feel that this is a nice expensive item that I'm carrying. I get that feeling from this. And the chain, it's just really nice. All I love the logo, the Prada Milano, it's really nice. The stitchings are all like really they're just really nice. Again, like it's just a, you know, if you're looking for a purse or a card holder, I think this looks quite cute, you know, because it has this extra chain. I don't think it's worth putting it in your you know, in a big handbag. A lot of people obviously buy the purse to just put it in their big handbag, but because it already has this chain, it makes it like a mini bag, but it's too small to carry anything apart from credit cards, I mean cards, and maybe some coins or like cash. You can carry some cash, and I mean it's you can use it, like definitely is something that it's gonna be useful at some point, but don't expect that you can carry much into this, because I do have a couple of wallet and chains, like a Gucci Dionysus wallet and chain. It's the best wallet and chain I think in the planet, the Gucci Dionysus wallet and chain, because it's so big. You can literally carry everything that you need, all the essentials you can carry in the Gucci wallet and chain. And I also have the YSL wallet and chain as well, which I do have a video. If you're interested, you can see the comparison between these two, and even that one as well, it's good. But like, this is definitely just a card holder, like it's a purse on chain. This is not a wallet on chain, this is a purse on chain. It's really small, but it's really cute, and I actually think the combination of this little thing with with this Prada hat as well, I think they look quite cute together. And I'm going to show you the box as well that it comes with. So it comes with this cute little black box. I love this box because it feels really high quality box, which I'm obviously expecting from a £680 purse to come with. So when we open it, well, so it was coming with just a little, like a, it doesn't come with a dust bag, but it comes with, I don't know, whatever, so I took it off. And it comes with the certificate as well. So that's the certificate that it comes with, which it shows that certificate of authenticity. Let's have a look. And yeah, so that's the lovely, I don't know if you can see. So it comes with this certificate of authenticity, whatever it comes with. And it's the Saffiano, it's like a model, it's called Saffiano, whatever. So yeah, so it comes with that. And to be honest, if you want, if you obviously, as I said, like, Prada is an expensive brand, so if you want to have something from Prada, if you are looking for a purse, if you want to buy yourself a purse from Prada, I think that this one is better than the just like a simple purse, because of this chain. It gives you a little bit more options to do with this, like you can treat it as a mini bag. So let's get to the hat. And obviously this is Prada bucket hat, Prada logo bucket hat. Prada has a few different kind of bucket hats. It has with cashmere, which is double the price of this one. This is a nylon one, so the material is just nylon, and I actually quite like it because it's so lightweight. It's I think I can use it both in the summer and winter, and it's so light, so it's not gonna, I'm not gonna get too hot. They have one with leather, which is quite expensive, and I don't really like the leather one. It's really like, I think it's quite heavy and I might get hot with it. And they have one with cashmere, and this one is just a simple Prada nylon bucket hat, which is £340, I guess, around £340, which is quite a lot of money for just a bucket hat. You can probably find a lot of alternatives, like cheaper ones, the non-branded ones, probably for, I don't know, £30, £40, but this one is Prada. And I can, you know, it definitely feels really nice. It's just nylon, you know, it's just a nylon basically. And I got it in size medium, which I actually think I should have gone with small, because I think that it's a little bit loose for me, but I'm happy with the size medium. And I wanted the hot pink one. They have a color in hot pink, but it's completely sold out everywhere, on basically everywhere it's sold out. So So this video was reviewing Prada mini card holder on chain or purse on chain. So this was my review and my opinion. I think if you are looking into purchasing something not too expensive from Prada, or if you're looking for a purse or a card holder, I would recommend this Saffiano one on chain, because the chain will add a little bit of a statement, little bit extra to this purse, and you can treat it like a mini bag like this, which it makes it look quite cute. But this was my opinion. But in my opinion, I think that this card holder on chain is better than just simple card holder. And also we had the Prada nylon bucket hat, which I absolutely love it. I think it's really cute, but it's £340. So if you're, if you're just looking for a bucket hat and you're not really bothered about which brand it is, I recommend don't really waste your money for a Prada bucket hat, because there are so many alternative cheaper ones in the market. You can easily find it for less than £50, really, really good ones. But I hope that you've enjoyed my quick video about Prada unboxings, and if you have enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I'm gonna do a lot of more unboxing and reviews. I appreciate your support, and let me know in the comments what you think about Prada. Do you like this bucket hat? Are you a fan of Prada? Do you like these mini little card holders or whatever? Let me know. Thanks for watching.